Gibbons, which burnt down about a year ago, played a huge part in my recovery. Like I said, it burnt down, and we're doing a fundraiser on October 7th. It's a community fundraiser, but especially those in the recovery community. It's going to be at the Sacramento Horsemen's Association, 3200 Longview Drive. For more information, go to sunsetnoalclub.org or email sunsetnoalclub@Gibbons Club, or just contact me for more information. We're going to be rebuilding the clubhouse. The event will have raffle, live music, barbecue, $25 entry, and all proceeds go to rebuild the clubhouse.